Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the role of an animal-based diet in human evolution, specifically how it helped contribute to the development of our large, complex brains. Spoiler alert, our ancestors didn't just survive on plants and fruits. So, let's go back about 2 million years. During this time, early humans, or hominins, were living in a world of scarce plant foods. Anthropological evidence suggests that to meet their growing energy needs, they began to rely more and more on nutrient-dense animal foods. One of the biggest changes in our evolutionary history is the dramatic increase in brain size. Compared to other primates, our brains are 3 times larger. But here's the kicker. Our brains require a lot of energy. In fact, the human brain comprises 2% of our body weight while consuming about 20% of our daily energy intake. And that's where animal foods come in. You see, early humans likely began consuming fatty meat, marrow, and even the brains of animals they hunted or scavenged. These foods are packed with high-quality protein and fat, especially omega-3 fatty acids like DHA, which are critical for brain development. In contrast, plant-based foods alone wouldn't have provided enough of these essential nutrients to fuel the rapid growth of our brains. It's important to note that this shift toward a more animal-based diet coincides with some of the most significant developments in human evolution. Things like the creation of tools, the ability to cook food with fire, and the advancement of social structures like hunting groups. All of these innovations supported our ancestors' ability to access and consume more animal-based nutrients. There's actually a theory called the expensive tissue hypothesis, which suggests that as humans consumed more calorie-dense foods like meat, their digestive tracts became smaller because they no longer needed to spend as much energy processing low-calorie plants. This allowed more energy to be directed toward brain development. Essentially, eating meat freed up resources to grow our brains. So, the next time you're enjoying a juicy steak, remember, you're tapping into a dietary tradition that helped shape human evolution. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content on nutrition and human history. What's your take on this topic? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the role of animal foods in our evolutionary history. See you next time.